Yes. We're still in, where are we?
Denver, Colorado.
And we're headed to
Las Vegas.
So I'm gonna try to make a shitty vlog to capture the key moments. Yeah, we're gonna train it after getting our shoes wet. Shoes are wet now. My new buddy, Mr. Charles. You want to say something, Mr. Charles? I think they want to go with us. We made it, bro. You see it. GIA, boy. That line, boy. I got the drink on me, and a sandwich, and some chips. You know, the cheapest we can buy. Two people, we paid 30 bucks, 33 bucks for food. So we're decent, man. Yo, you ain't need to pay 50 bucks for 2 people to eat, nigga. This is a mid-ass vlog. I already know it's mid. Super mid.
Are you guys sad?
You fuckers. Everybody wishing on my downfall.
Hater.
We have to wait a little bit longer. Fucking losers. Took like less than 5 seconds to walk out from the airplane. But we're waiting on our Uber. We're finna go to the Ktrina. It's very windy and gloomy. I was expecting sun, but it's cool.
Yeah, when I met Corey, he was graduating. It was in December of 2004. He had just graduated with his fine arts degree. Yeah. He was a dancer.
No shit.
Yeah. Pretty good, too.
You did good. Pink runs 31%. I hope y'all can see that. This is our view. I didn't do too much of the vlogging, but we're finna go to the Walmart across the street and smoke some Swisher Sweets. To give you guys a recap of what's actually been happening. So we get into Las Vegas around noon, and then we go straight to my mom's house, which is on the south side, and then we help her move a few things, one load, light work. After that, we come to the casino, get checked in, eat some shitty, greasy food, drink a little bit more, then pass out, wake up around 1 a.m., go to the 24-hour weed dispensary, pick up that gas, we order some more food, and after that, we pass out. We're here right now, y'all, so we're gonna head to the... You would if there was a pool.
You're right.
Yeah, if there was a pool, I would jump in it. I bet. Right here. You trying to do it like away from everybody game? Hey, she has on green. We're at the Federal Building. Walking to a thrift store so I can get a belt. Yeah, happy St. Patty's Day, everybody. Happy St. Patty's Day. The Federal, there's the Strat. My pants are falling down. Damn, look at those rails though. Shit. Alright, let's get a bite of that taco. Oh wow. They have radishes. know it's authentic when they have pickled radishes. Oh wow. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. The marination of the meat. The onions, the cilantro, the soft tortilla. But heat up to perfection. So I guess we're at that pawn shop where Pawn Stars is filmed, right? You got a line and stuff. You can't just walk in there, but yeah, that's where we're at. Beautiful Vegas. Mm.
Yeah.
Downtown Las Vegas. This place had the highest rating on Google Maps. By people in there. Outstanding. I feel like people only go there when they feel like they got important shit to sell.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get top dollar. And then that rice, so soft. Very fluffy. Beans. Outstanding. Outstanding. Let's get in one more taco. You ain't Mark Wings. Good. Good. They can ride that dog. It's time to leave. Everybody's asking us to politely get the hell on. No, gosh, man. But that's our view leaving Vegas. I think Vegas had fun containing the weather. But yesterday it got pretty hot to where we was in the desert. Hot. But yeah, I'm gonna finish packing. We're gonna get the hell on. Oh shit.